Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I am going to give you a very quick tips for common cold and cough. Many times it has been seen people are so busy, like they don't want elaborate explanation for everything. And so I decided I will create a video, just 7 quick tips for common cold and cough. So these quick tips are, if you feeling little bit cough or common cold in your throat and you feel little bit irritation, you need not to worry for small irritation, because little bit cough everybody face, like here, there, little bit of mucus, little bit of coughing. Sometimes even you are eating something and the food goes in wrong pipe, that is, it goes in respiratory pipe, then also you feel coughing. Sometimes from your sometimes something stuck in the throat, that time also you feel coughing. So all coughing is not a symptom of flu or some kind of allergy. Normal coughing happens and we get scared and we are rushing towards hospitals. So I would like to tell you, there are certain things which you can do at home, because every cough is not dangerous. But still we need to take precautions, but you can wait for 1 or 2 days, because if little bit irritation is happening, first thing you need to do, wherever you are, you try to do gargles with warm water, because warm water is available everywhere and you can heat water and you can do gargles. Whenever you suddenly feel dry cough, what you need to do, you take a warm glass of water, put half tablespoon of salt in it, mix it well and do gargles. Just put in mouth and rinse whole your throat and mouth with the sound like gar gar gar, it sound happens, and then spit it out. So these gargles, if you do 5-6 times, you will see immediately there is a relief in the throat. After that, what other natural things that you can do to avoid coughing? The next step is like honey. You take honey, 1 spoon of honey, put 1 spoon of ginger juice in it. How you take out ginger juice? Take a piece of ginger, remove the peels, wash it properly, crush the ginger and then squeeze it, and take 1 spoon of this ginger juice and mix it with honey, and you just take it. And you will see it will be extremely helpful in making your cough better. Other thing, take some herbal decoction to keep yourself warm. The best thing that works in any kind of viral little bit of cough or a little bit of like dry cough or any kind of cough, like little bit irritation, that is tulsi, that is holy basil decoction. How you prepare it? Take a pan, put 1 cup of water in it. After that, take 2-3 holy basil leaves, break these leaves, put in this pan and then heat for next 20 minutes. After that, you will see the color of the water will change, it will become little bit of brownish. So after that, what you do, you close the tumbler with the lid and let it cool for next 5 minutes. After that, it will be ready for drinking. For you, it would be big surprise to know, like holy basil or tulsi, it works as very good immunity enhancer and it has antiviral properties. So you will see there will be immediate relief in your throat irritation. In addition to that, if you have pepper at home, you can also add little bit of pepper. You can take half spoon of pepper, mix it with honey, again 1 spoon of honey, make it a paste and you can eat it. Pepper is extremely beneficial for your respiratory system, but you need to use pepper in a powder form. You can make pepper powder like you are using for all the salads and everything, that pepper. So that pepper, black pepper which is called, that you take, you just make it a powder. After that, mix it with honey and you can just lick it. It is also very beneficial for dry cough and simple flu like symptoms. In addition to that, before sleep, before going to bed, take one glass of water, add 1 spoon of salt in it, put pinch of turmeric in it, mix it well and again do gargles, and you will see by the morning your throat is completely clear. But if you see like these symptoms are not being relieved and they are again enhancing and enhancing, little bit relief has come, but still these symptoms are not subsiding, and you are feeling feverish and fever and temperature is going up, that means it is the time that you need to visit doctor. Don't keep sitting at home. Take doctor's advice, because it is very, very important, because if it is simple flu or if it is very common cold or common flu like symptoms, these symptoms will vanish with all the things which I have told you. But if these are not vanishing, means some infection is there, then you need to visit hospital or doctor. In addition to that, throughout the day, don't take anything from the refrigerator, because it aggravates the symptoms of the throat. Don't take anything cold, even in ice cream, because many people say if your throat is bad, take ice cream and it will be good, because it is cold, and if there is some pus point in the throat, it will vanish it. But actual truth is, you should never take ice cream or any cold thing whenever you have throat pain or dry cough, because ice cream will not subside it, though it will aggravate it. Always try to have fresh, warm cooked meals. If your throat, you feeling little bit of throat infection, try always to have warm cooked meals, and it would be good if they are freshly cooked meals, because freshly cooked meals are more nutritious, and this is the time that your body need nutrition. Throughout the day, don't take cold water, take lukewarm water according to Ayurveda guidelines. It will help to subside these common coughing or flu-like symptoms. If you are doing yoga, meditation, any kind of pranayam or breathing practice, and after that if you are taking fruits, make sure if you feel like your throat is little bit irritated, whenever you are eating fruits, they are very cold, especially in this winter season. So take a tumbler, heat water in it, soak fruits in it for next 10 to 15 minutes, and after that take those fruits, because these fruits will be little bit warmer in temperature and it will soothe your throat. Because if you take very cold fruits, it will make your throat more worse, because you are taking fruits for health reasons. But if your throat is not in good condition and you are putting cold fruit into it, it will aggravate the symptom and it can cause pain in the throat. So these are the small things, very little things, and 7 tips which you can do in your daily day-to-day life, and you can make your throat health better. So if there is very common flu, very simple throat coughing or something is happening, you need not to rush immediately to the hospital, because all coughs are not dangerous. Little bit cough came and everybody is running to hospital, not needed. You just watch, one day you can watch, and these little things you can do, but at the same time pay attention, like your symptoms are decreasing or aggravating, because if it is aggravating, then maybe medicine is needed, that is any kind of medicine. It can be Ayurveda medicine or allopathic medicine, but medicine is needed. That means infection is more strong, and in those cases you need to go to hospital or make a proper ENT checkup. It's very, very important. But if it is very common simple symptoms, like it is where no medication is needed, they can subside by these small tips, by taking these small measures. So that's all for today. I hope you will like this video, and all those people who are short of time, they can try all these quick tips. I hope you will like these tips. And if you are allergic to any of these ingredients, please don't use it. It is very common thing, but still I am telling as a precaution. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed my channel yet, so there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon. Click the subscription button, hit the bell icon, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is join button near subscription button. You can always click this join button and you can support us. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and don't forget to share. Bye. Take care.